Hi, and welcome to the world of PHspeed. My name is Rosie, and in this series of videos, I will introduce PHspeed version 2.0. In this short video, I will talk about the concept of cloud connectors. A cloud connector is a mechanism that passes primary key information from one form into another. Suppose that you have a grid of employees and want to zoom into salaries. You can use a master detail relationship, but in this case, you want the salaries expressed in another form and need to pass the employee ID to the new form. I start by creating a grid form containing the salaries. As the query needs to adapt to a given employee number that a calling application will pass, I define a cloud connector on the tables filter. As you can see, this is quite similar to defining a where clause. Only in this case will the form know that it will receive a variable that needs to be passed as a filter to the database table. For performance reasons, PHspeed caches result sets. In this case, I set caching to off because I need a new search each time I access the module. Now it is time to create the primary module. It is a simple grid containing employees, and I make it in the usual wizard way. PHspeed will generate the grid. To select an employee and then jump to the salary form, I need an additional link field in the grid, containing an image that I can click on and that will redirect me to the salaries. Next, the new link field must be configured to redirect to the salaries form, which is done by setting the application link field. PHspeed will retrieve the available cloud connectors, and you can select the required one. In fact, you bind the connector of the given linked application to a data field of the table that is attached to the grid. Finally, you select an icon for the field, and then everything is ready. We can now generate the code and watch the result. The application works as designed, but there are some things that can be improved. First of all, I want to be able to jump back to the employees form. One of the options is to add a user button to the grid's toolbar that allows you to jump back to the employees form. Adding a user button is again a matter of properties. I add a button, define its function and appearance, and I am done. PHspeed forms are protected, so that you cannot leave the form or browser without warning. That is useful for CRUD applications and avoids losing updated information. This is not always useful for grids, especially in cases where you show read-only data. So let's remove this notification. That finalizes my sample of cloud connectors. I also showed you how to add buttons to a grid and get rid of the leave page protection. I hope that this short video was helpful. Thank you for watching.